That's the dance of the neurons. The dance of the neurons. Your neurons are saying, please feed me more beauty. Please feed me more beautiful movies and gorgeous things in this world to appreciate. And please help me to see the essence of things rather than the perception. Because if you constantly ask to see it, eventually what is revealed to you, if you live through the experience, is what's eventually revealed is that all things are God. Everything is God. All is God. There is nothing but God, period. You see, that's true. There is nothing but God. Resist. Well, I look for God when that's all there is. So then it dawns on you one day when you're looking at things, the essence of divinity shines forth. And I've discussed that moment when it happened in my life, and suddenly the divinity of all things shone forth with such a brilliance that it laid me out for some years. I don't think I could do anything for a few years. Anyway, that spiritual intention then will bring forth that awareness that all things are God. All things are God. All things. Because the essence of all that exists is nonlinear. What you're looking at is the linear, which defines difference. What you're not seeing is that to exist, the first requirement is to exist. And to exist is nonlinear. It has no form. The essence of existence is formless and is actually divinity. The essence of God is equally this arm, equally this foot, equally this stage, equally everyone present here.